Start.
So, sir, the topic is about illegal hoardings and pandals, and I just want to ask you a few questions regarding the same.
Okay.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Okay, so, sir, on an average, how many events are you conducting per month?
Per month only one event. Actually, we have the daily rides,
Okay.
but that is a free of cost. There is not
Okay.
included any fees.
Okay. Okay.
And you can say not a monthly, but quarterly there is a one event for Indo Athletics Society.
Okay, sir. And, sir, what is the procedure for getting a hoarding in place or installing a stage for a program?
Yeah, actually, we do the application in the municipal corporation, that is PCMC,
Okay, sir.
and for 10 by 10 square
Okay.
feet,
Okay.
they have the fees of 3,500 that we pay for one day, and they give us the permission like that. And for the holding, there is no such a fees, but for permanent holding, there is a fees.
Okay.
For one day, there is no any, for event purpose, there is no any
There is
fees.
no- Okay.
Because they are utilizing only one day.
Okay, sir.
But for the permanent, there is something charges like 200 per square feet.
Okay.
That is the charges for permanent.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like you can see on the for the means the builders advertisement, then PNG, then different companies advertisement.
Mhm.
That they are having the fees.
Mhm.
Okay, sir. And, sir, if you want to conduct a program on short notice, are you able to follow these procedures in current mode?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we send the mail
Okay.
in case of any emergency events. We send the mail,
Mhm.
and means like we have this had this event Pune to Ayodhya.
Mhm.
So it is not possible to go there and take the permission. So we send the mail, and
Got
we
it.
got the permissions like
Okay.
that.
Okay, sir. So the hoardings and all, it can be easily booked at short notice.
Yeah, if you have that much setup, that much means repo with the customers and with the guys who are making these designs and all,
Okay.
then it's
You can do
possible.
it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But for any new person, it's really
It's going to be
difficult.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. And, sir, what are the improvements you would like to have in this process?
Actually, the process means if you see the paper,
Mm.
it should be on the paper, reusable paper.
Paper.
It should not be on the plastic.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yeah, this plastic polyethylene or polymer, that it's very hazardous to the environment, and
Yes.
everybody knows this.
Mm.
But such a technology is not yet developed. That
Mhm.
paper of recyclable is yet not in the market, so that's why.
Okay, sir.
Previously, in olden days, there are clothes, hoardings on the clothes.
Clothes.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
but they are not that much attractive.
Attractive,
so
yes. Though everything is in plastic.
Everything is on the plastic.
Plastic. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. And, sir, how are you ensuring that the venue is clean once the program is over?
Yeah, Indo Athletic Society is very keen about this topic.
Okay.
Means after the
Event is
program is over, everything should be clean. The road should be clean. There is no any plastic on the road. There is no any thing which is not recyclable on the road. We clean that, and we keep it and give to the people who are
Okay.
PCMC guys or something.
In general, sir, if other than you, yours is a proper society,
Okay,
you are taking care of it.
Yeah, yeah.
इन अदर्स कुछ प्रोग्राम अगर कर रहा है
हाँ।
तो प्रोग्राम होने के बाद ये साफ सफाई करने का पीसीएमसी करता है या
No. PCMC do not do that.
ओके ओके ओके
It's a responsibility of the organizer.
ओके ओके
Suppose if I conduct any marathon,
Mm.
if it's a 10 kilometer or 21 kilometer half
Hmm.
marathon, then the runner need the means, water and
हाँ करेक्ट उसका बॉटल एंड ऑल इधर रहता है हाँ हाँ
So in that case, he just took the bottle and just drink it and
थ्रो इट
throw it.
लेकिन हम
So,
अपने को क्लीन
yeah,
करना है
Then it's the responsibility of that organizer to
To
clean the entire area and the entire team of the organizing team to clean the entire area.
तो अभी साफ नहीं किया तो वो लोग कुछ फाइन डालता है क्या?
No, there is no any
There is
fines,
no.
yeah. But in the PCMC or in Pune Municipal Corporation, there are guys who daily sweep the road and
Oh.
yeah, they do the cleaning of
Do
the
the cleaning of the job.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, sir, how are you sure that the hoardings or stages are legally correct? Like they are not
No,
illegal?
there is no any such dimensions defined
Mm-hmm.
for this, but generally we have the backdrop,
Mm.
then selfie points, all that hoardings are there.
वो कभी कभी क्या है ना सर, स्टेज हम रोड के अंदर काफी ज्यादा प्रोजेक्टेड दिखता है,
Yes, sir.
तो ये सब लीगल रहता है क्या? लाइक वो ये सब लीगल है क्या? देखने के लिए कोई है क्या?
Yeah, in case of this Ganesh Mandal's event,
हाँ
Ganpati festival,
हाँ
they took the permission
Huh.
for 10 days.
करेक्ट
Yeah, and they almost acquired the half of the road.
हाँ,
So
तो वो लोग
once
आके
they
चेक करता है क्या सर?
Once they took the permission,
हाँ
then it's legal. If
Huh.
it's not permitted, then they ask the Mandal guys
To remove it.
Yeah, to remove it or to extend the
Backwards.
road side. Yeah, backwards. Yeah.
बट आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, वो लोग आके चेक करता है, मतलब कितना स्पेस
Yeah,
आपने यूज
definitely,
किया है?
if
हाँ
it's a problem to the vehicles,
Vehicles,
and it's,
uh-huh.
it's creating any issues, then
Okay.
definitely.
ओके ओके
Yeah, in case of the limit of the decibel also,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
yeah, the same issue is there.
ओके 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 ओके
Voice.
So, sir, I have formulated the idea of an app in which it's like a multitasking app. So, for common people, those who find any complaints with the system, or they find a hoarding or a pandal that they feel is not legal, they can complain it on the app, and we can take action. And if the people who want to book a pandal, they can do the same on our app, and we will introduce modular pandals that wouldn't cause obstruction in cleanliness and traffic.
Okay.
And as for hoardings, we would have e-hoardings, just like the one near my school.
Okay.
So the people would have to book the e-hoardings and the slot, and for how much time a particular ad would stay on the hoarding. So my app is that sort of idea. I've even made a video.
या आई विल शो द वीडियो
Great.
फाइनली.
That's great.
सो
E-hoarding is also a good idea.
ओके सर. सर आपका साइकिलिंग का एक ऐड आया हुआ है शायद ये ई होर्डिंग में,
That-
रिवर साइड
cycle.
साइकिल,
Yeah.
वो उसमें कितना चार्जेस लगाता है?
They are having daily charges of something about 5 to 6,000.
5 to 6,000. वो कितने बार दिखाता है?
Information, huh?
कितने बार दिखाता है ऐड?
No, they have the PPTs installed that one
Okay.
by one they are showing that.
ओके ओके ओके
And the
ओके
entire day it's
एंटायर डे.
going on.
सो 5,000 रुपीज पर डे.
5,000 per day. Yeah.
पर डे. ओके नाइस. तो
Maybe it's more also.
हाँ,
but,
okay.
For PCMC, I'm just.
ओके 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 ओके. ये एथलेटिक सोसाइटी के लिए वो लोग कुछ डिस्काउंट देता है क्या? नहीं ना, नहीं कुछ नहीं
कुछ
देता.
नहीं देता. And there are also means if you have some connections, political connections, then it then it
Correct.
is some
Correct.
to some extent. Yeah.
Correct. No, you can ask for any suggestions.
So, sir, are there any suggestions that I could add to the app?
Suggestions that e-hoarding is a good suggestion.
Yes, sir.
Then in the app you also mention all the parameters for the how much volume you are going
Correct.
to make.
Yes, sir. Everything
It
is-
should not extend to some decibel capacity,
Correct.
Yes,
so
sir.
that it will not creating any issues to the senior citizens or like that.
Correct. Correct. Decibels.
Also you can add the grievance column
Correct.
so that anyone can
Raise the
create
complaint.
the new grievance.
Correct.
And they can give you the feedback or they can add their issues.
Correct.
So, you can do like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.